So we have written yesterday with the valid credentials, but still we need to refine this test case, right? So we can write more reusability here. So why you need to do that? Let me show you. So why you need to optimize this code. For example, you want to write a next test case, right? Next test case, what is that? If you go here, the next test case is, so JUnit, in JUnit itself we have that. Okay. So login with valid credentials is done. This one is done. Now logout is done. Next, we need to validate this one. Login with valid username and invalid password. So we need to do this. If you want to do this scenario, so you need another test at the rate test. So you write public void. So test with valid username, right? Valid username. So valid username and invalid password. So that's a test case. I cannot, every time I can write this duplicate, right? Every time, see that. So this one, I cannot repeat this, the same code. So I don't need, okay? I don't just need to click on this button, then the message will change. So till this, I need again. I cannot write this, right? It's a duplicate code. Then how can we optimize this code? So develop a Java method till this with the parameters. So with the parameters, you develop it so that you can remodify this also. You can optimize the code, only method you can call everywhere. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to create a Java method that is, so private. Why private? I'm going to use this method in the same class only. Private void do login. So I need two parameters, string username, comma, string passwords. These are the two parameters. Same code you copy paste and modify this. That's it. So that wherever you are giving a username, replace with this parameter. So replace this with a parameter name. So wherever you're using password, replace with your parameter. That's it. So now you can reuse this function, right? Anywhere, every test case. See, I'm going to reuse that. I can ignore so the entire code here. Here I can write this also. I can remove this entire thing. So let me take first this one, and I'll just give the username. First username and second password. Then I'll delete this. This entire part I don't need now. I already written. See how simplified this. How much simplification done, you can see that. Just one method. And same here also, see how we, so no valid username, right? So valid username is this one. So much simplification has happening. That's how the methods will give you a lot of confidence. So more optimization, more reusability you will get with the methods. So I'm going to just change the invalid password. That's it. Okay. So now same, this also you can know, you can to overcome this also. So this message also similar. You can validate this message also. So how can we validate this? Right? That's what we need to find out, the verify message. Simply write one more method, verify a message, private. So void verify a message. So whatever it is, what kind of message, it doesn't matter. String expected message. So, and you can do the same assertion here also. You can copy paste that message, this one, this entire thing you can put inside here. Okay. So now if you see this, so you can wait for the message, and this one you can get the, so whatever the message, maybe you can put some message, right? If you want to do, so the message you are verifying, right? This one, that I'll get that, and you can check this message is present or not. So this is the message you can give it. That's it. So you can simplify a lot of code here. So you can put a lot of code here. You can simplify this. Just call this method there. See, this is the method you can call directly. You can avoid that many. Say you need to give this message there. That's it. See how simplify, no? How you can simplify this kind of code. So if you're repeating the same kind of code, you have to use this. So you have to use this. And even this one also, you can simplify this. This one also. Flash access message, same, right? Flash access message. So, but we need to find out the error comes, how it is that. So if error is there, what is the, no? So flash access is there, or what is there, you need to see that. So let's go and see that. Based on that, you need to create the methods. So valid see what is there. So here you have flash error is there. Flash ID is there, but you can use ID so that we can make it a generic. Okay. So same, I can use ID here instead of arrow is contains. So whatever it is. If you don't want to know, you can pass your own message, right? So that's it. You can give your own message. You call this method and give your message wherever you want. So even this also you can give that message. I can call this method. I can just verify this message. So how much simplification you can see that. Out of lines of code, you can avoid duplicate codes. Remove this entire thing. So that's it. See how many lines of code it become. Very shorter and crisp. So you can just call this. Now again, you can call this and you can give your message also here also. So, and the message is, so what is the message here? And you can check this message. Just go and give this. Okay. So that's the, see, valid username, invalid password. Same, you create this. Try one more function. What is the next scenario? Invalid username, valid password. Invalid username, valid password. Invalid username, valid password. So that you can easily understand. So now, invalid username and valid password. The password is this one. I just give this. So what is that? So just go and get that message from the application. Invalid username and valid password. See, you will get your username is invalid. That's the message. So like this, you see how many test cases we added? 1, 2. See that? 3 test cases. I can add one more, the last one. Both are, no, I'm going to leave them blank. So what is the last test case? You can see login with invalid credentials. So close the browser, finally. So that's what we are doing. Just simply your username is invalid. That one only you're getting. Test with invalid credentials. I'm saying both are invalid. That's why. Okay. So both are invalid. So maybe I can give something wrong. Okay. It can be invalid. So this is the same message you will get. So like this, you can develop multiple test cases. See how simplified. This is the very important same function you want. Same code is repeating. Create a Java method like this. So if same code is repeating, create a method like this. So that it will be very useful for you. So let's run this test case. Right click, run as JUnit test. First, you should know the complete steps. If you know the steps, then it will be easy for you. So that's all. See, 4 by 4, all are passed. Your test case name will come. Okay, so please try writing the test cases. It really helps you. Maybe you can take any other scenario. There you can try it out. So let me show you one more scenario. How to handle alerts, alert dialog boxes. How can you handle? So what are the different type of alerts? We should know that first. We have different type of alerts: simple alerts, confirmation dialog boxes, prompt dialog boxes. So how can we handle them? So let's go and plan it. So we have here, let me show you the alerts code I'll give you. So you know how to switch to the alerts. So anybody remember that? How can you switch to the alerts? So did anyone remember that or no?
By using alert class, driver dot switch to dot alert.
Driver dot switch to method dot
Alert dot accept dot
alert method, and you can call so alert reference dot accept to alert reference dot dismissal, right? So these are the methods. So we can use them. So let me show you that. We have a nice code. See, when you click on that first, so here we have, let me take you back. So alerts, I want to show you. Alerts doesn't have a HTML code. So you need to know this. So JavaScript alerts. See, this button is having a code. But once you click on this, the window will open, right? That's the alert dialog, this one. If it is there, you cannot perform action on the web page. It won't tell you. See, I'm clicking also. I cannot do anything until unless you handle this dialog box. So you cannot find HTML code for this. See, no code at all. There is no code for this dialog box. That means no code for this OK button, no HTML code for this message. How can you handle this dialog boxes, alert dialog boxes? So that's what we are seeing now. Click on some element. So this is the one. I clicked on this element. I got this dialog box. Now I need to move cursor. My cursor is here. How can you move my cursor to here? So how can you move cursor to here? That's the line of code you have to write. Alert interface alt reference variable equal to driver dot switch to method dot alert method. So this line will bring the cursor to this alert dialog box inside. So what this line will do? This line will switch the cursor to this alert box from this parent window to here. It will go. So are you all clear on this? So this will be taken to that area here, from here to here. So here it will bring. The cursor will come here. Okay. So that is the main advantage of this line of code. Once you have cursor here, now you can get this text with a get text method with this reference variable. Alt dot get text. Always get text will return a string type data, right? String message equal to alt dot get text. So print the the message. You want to click on alert to OK button. This OK button, if you want to click, you can use accept method. So that's the simple alert how to handle. So prompt dialog box. So I am clicking this, it will handle. See, now this I clicked on this way, that's it is showing. Okay. Next, this one, prompt. Prompt means you can type here, you can click OK, you can click cancel. So if you want to click OK, I already told the method, accept method. If you want to click cancel, you have to use dismiss method. If you want to type something, you have to use it. Which one? For typing, only one method in the WebDriver.
Send keys.
Method. So these are the methods common. Okay. So these are the methods common everywhere. Okay. So those functions you can use anywhere. So these are the straightforward methods. So you can type something, WebDriver. If you want to click OK, you call accept method. If you want to cancel, you call the accept method. See, you entered WebDriver. Again, click on this. You cancel it, you enter null. See that here also. You successfully clicked an alert. After actions, post actions, I want to validate this message also. So these are the functions. Each alert, one test method I will create. So this also. See, I'll get this message, I'll click on cancel, OK button. Again, if you want to click cancel, validate, so click on cancel. So like this, you need to do the code like this. So alert prompt, click on something to get the prompt. Alert prompt equal to driver dot switch to method dot alert. See, any alert if you want to switch, the same code on the left hand side. Only the variable is changing. Only the variable is changing. That's it. Fetching the text of the prompt, prompt dot get text. If you want to type the data in the send keys. So clicking on prompt OK button, you call accept method. Clicking on prompt cancel button, call dismiss method. So like confirmation also similar. So this is the code. If you want to click OK button in the confirmation dialog, call accept method. If you want to click on cancel button, call dismiss. But once you call accept, so there is no confirmation. Again, what you need to do, you have to click on one more time to perform the action on this cancel, to call this a dismiss method. So remember that our functionality you should understand. So you click OK, can accept you called. Again, you immediately cannot call dismiss because you don't have confirmation. If you have a confirmation dialog, then you can call dismiss. Without having a confirmation dialog, you cannot call. So make sure, understand the functionality of this application behavior first. Then you can call the respective method. Okay, so that's it. And so I hope you can do that. Otherwise, so you want me to do. So which one you want? So you will do, or so you want me to do that code? Same. So just do. Before all is the same code. So but you have to change here JavaScript alerts. That's the only change. So remaining code. So before each, you validate some changes, right? Some changes regarding your test case. After each is just delete the cookies, everything. Same code, slight changes. So let's see that. I'm going to copy this and I'll reuse. Some part I'll reuse. Not everything. Some part I'll reuse. Heroku app, JS alerts. Alerts handling. Alerts handling. Test. That's it. See that? I'm going to reuse the entire code. Okay, so this driver you know, so declare globally, wait also declare globally. The application is same. This is also same. Only change here. I need to click on JavaScript alerts. Okay. This link. This is the link. Maybe we used, I'm not sure, href we used, link only. JavaScript alerts. That's it. So JavaScript alerts. Then, so here before each. So before each is once I go here only it changes. So I have to handle this one. So URL contains is, I need to put this. JS JavaScript alerts page address for URL. And so the title, so this is the presence of page heading. So this heading. So what is this heading? H3, this one. So copy CSS selector. So I'm using CSS selector here. H3. This is the H3 one. Here also same. You're getting that element. Element is present or not. You're checking the JavaScript alerts. JS header text. JS alerts header element. So that element is present or not. You're checking. And you can say element is not present. Okay. So that's all. And at the test method, test with test simple alert. Okay. Test simple alert. Test simple alert. So started executing the test simple alert. Now, so these are all things I don't need. Okay. Maybe verify message might help, but remaining things I don't need. So the click action I need, I'll reuse that click action. So on top of this, so that I'm going to click on simple alerts. I'm going to click on this, click for JS alerts. See this button tag, this link, click for JS alerts. Click on JS alerts button. So it's not a link, button. So I have to write XPath, BUTT1 button. So text function I'll write. Text function equal to single quote, this one. Okay, I'm clicking. Now I got the confirmation that alert dialog box. Switch to simple alert dialog box. So alert alt equal to driver dot switch to method dot alert method. So import the alert. So this one, and then get the text. So simple alert text is this alt dot get text. So next, so I want to click on OK button. OK button in simple alert dialog box. So alt dot accept method. So after clicking on that, we are getting, right, this result. You need to get the result text. So this text you need to get it. How can you get it? So ID is there. So ID you take and get that. So I need to write my verify message. So this I don't need. Is it? And so this also we don't need. 3 test cases are enough. Verify message, string expected message, wait dot until the ID, and here ID is, so this one, okay, get text. So then you can verify the message also. So whichever message you want to verify, that message you can pass it. So what is the message now? So this message is get it here. You have successfully clicked an alert. So that's the message you are expecting. Done. So the same thing you do with a prompt also. Test confirmation dialog box alert or confirmation alert. Okay, so whatever it is, confirmation dialog box or alert. So it's up to you what you want to keep it. Okay, I'm leaving it to you. So here click for JS confirm. See, click for JS confirm. So just put here, click for JS confirm button. Click for JS confirm button. So then switch to confirm dialog box. Switch to confirmation dialog box. So CNFM, get the text, confirm alert text is, then click OK with this confirm dot accept. So when you click confirm, see that if you click OK, the message is you clicked OK. So this is the message you're looking for, this message. See how easy if you write the methods like this, you're calling only methods. Now again, I need to click on one more time to work with second scenario, cancel scenario. So I need to click one more time. Same, see whatever manually I'm doing, that I need to do one more time to click on cancel. So if you want to do that, I have to start from here. So everything I'll just copy paste. So here, click on this same thing and you can give confirm 1 and this can give you text if you want and confirm 1 dot dismiss. So click on cancel button in confirmation. So alert dialog box. So what you will get? Verify the message, result message. You click cancel. That's it. So easy to make it, and same you can do for prompt also. Same you can do for prompt also. So here click for test prompt alert. Prompt alert. You can give test prompt alert. So what is that? JS prompt. So first button, click on the button. For button, I have written XPath, this XPath. This is the XPath. This is the XPath. And again, here prompt I need to give ERMPT. So that's a message. And get the message. And I need to type the value. So type the value in edit box. So prompt dot send keys I'm going to type WebDriver. Okay. Then I'm going to click on OK button in prompt alert dialog box. So just give prompt. Here also again click on this. So I'll replace this with this. And this time the message is you clicked OK. Okay, I am not sure. This will change because WebDriver. You click on this one. So you entered WebDriver, you will get it. Whatever you given, you will get here. The message is that one, not the one to what we have previously. And again, so prompt. You are with me, right?
Yes, done.
Oh, so and click on cancel button in the